passed the 800-mile mark the other day. Super proud to pass another milestone after everything that's happened. That felt amazing. Just leaving Lexington. We stayed in Lexington rather than Buena Vista because there was a lot more stuff in Lexington. We went to the Southern Grill restaurant in Lexington, and we accidentally walked into fine dining in our hiker trash clothes, so that was interesting. We had a few weird looks, but our waitress, Nancy, she was so friendly, super nice, and me and my hiking partner got talking to her, and because everyone inevitably asks where I'm from. Sometimes I get Australia guessed, believe it or not. So I say I'm from England, and then my hiking partner, he's from Indiana, he's kind of my partner now. I'll blush. You wouldn't be able to see if I'm blushing past the coat anyway. And some of the Pennsylvania weather has just reached Virginia, as you can tell. There's some thunderstorms coming. So yeah, we're talking to Nancy, and we tell her how we met each other on the trail, and she brings over 2 free glasses of champagne. So we had these super melt in the mouth nice steaks. They were amazing. Oh, okay, American people, you know how to do steak. I've had the nicest steak of my life here, but oh my gosh, this was so amazing. And she said, oh, I told my manager your story, and she wanted to give you some champagne on the house, and it was like felt so decadent after feeling so trashy and stinky, and after everything, you know, not being very well and blah 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 blah. So yeah, Nancy gave us her email address and stuff, so we can keep in contact with her. Oh my gosh, nicest lady ever. So we just had a really, really good time in Lexington. It was nice to have some fun again and connect with people. I haven't really been in the mood for connecting with people. I haven't been very well, so it all just felt so nice. We also got so lucky on the hitches. We got from the trail to Buena Vista. The people said that they had to run some errands, so they'd run some errands and let us eat in the Burger King, and then they'd take us to Lexington afterwards. And exactly the same happened in reverse on the way back. So thank you, people of Buena Vista and Lexington, for being so generous. Just hiking down to a shelter now, 3.8 miles out of the trailhead near Buena Vista. Then we'll be chilling here for a few hours because we plan on flipping everything upside down a little bit and hiking overnight, because the weather's been so hot and the bugs just kill me. They find me super tasty, which is a compliment in some ways, but it's not a compliment that I want, you know. I'd rather not have it. But turns out it's kind of raining and a little bit cooler anyway, so I don't know whether we're going to change those plans or what. I don't know what to do. We'll see if the rain eases off, otherwise I guess we may as well ditch the night hiking plan for today and just chill here for an hour or so and then carry on. My feet feel really squelchy. I still haven't come across any wild parsnip. It was everywhere, and then as soon as I wanted to film it for you guys to make you aware of it, it's obviously disappeared, as is the way. Oh, it's gonna run away. Oh no, it's coming. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Babe.
Oh my gosh. I am so shocked by this right now. Do you think it's a poisonous snake?
I don't know. It's either... I don't know.
It is really... How's it going to swallow the tail?
It swallows the whole, digest it later. It's almost got the whole fish in his mouth. No. Can you look around and see if there are any more while I'm just standing here though?
Can I what?
Look around us and make sure there are no more.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, he's got it all down.
I just don't want to see the poison. Super quick though, I wouldn't trust being near it right now. I felt as though it was trying to swallow it super quick.
Do you want to film this
out.
so I can get water? Or are you done filming?
I can film it.
I mean, it's just not doing anything. It's not doing anything.